Thank you very much for watching this video. As you can see on my screen, there is a trending tool. Not a tool, it's a software engineer, what people are calling it. So Devin AI. So this is the AI tool basically. It's not more than that as of now. So we can use this AI tool for our productivity actually. So this AI tool is capable of doing coding, debugging and solving complex problems. So in this tutorial or video we are going to use this Devin AI website making tool or a software engineer, what we call it, this tool. So let's see how we can use it. So I'm on this official website of a devinai.ai and I'm here landed on this page. So let's click on try it for free. So these are the recent chats with this Devin AI. People are using it, people are interacting with this Devin AI. So you can see this, people are asking different types of questions to this Devin AI, and also we are going to do this same. So let's click on start chat. So this is basically the chat window is opening. So here by default auto text message from Devin AI. I am Devin, a full stack engineer. So feel free to send me all your technical problems. Let's see he can I'm not saying he, let's see it can able to our solve our technical problems or not. So I'm interacting with this Devin AI. So hi Devin, let's see how Devin gonna interact with us. So it says you must log in first. So let's log in with my account. You can use these are the options are here. So I'm logging with my Gmail account. So let's continue this with your AI website, and now you must able to interact with this Devin AI. So let's ask him a question. Let's start interaction with hi Devin. So Devin is interacting, giving us valuable answers. Code, hello, how can I assist today? It's like a chat GPT kind of things. So it's advanced version of like AI tool previously launched, like chat GPT and other AI tools. So let's see. So I'm asking, give me Docker file for running Node.js sample application image. So let's see. So the pretty simple the Docker file is the AI Devin AI providing us. So from node it's Alpine work directory. So that's a pretty good short answer for our question. So let's ask another question to Devin. So give me like Nginx Docker file Python model. So pretty straightforward answers are well from this Devin AI. So likewise, you can use this Devin AI for your productivity. So it's not more than what you call AI tool. So you can figure out many things, so many features of this Devin AI as of I am discovering. So thank you very much for watching this video. You can play with this Devin AI. Just go to this website and try it for free. Thank you.